Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to enable the option to reply to a specific message on Instagram. This is quite simple. First of all, I'm going to show you what's that option. You must go into your messages here in Instagram, and let's suppose I'm here and you can just reply to anything, not just a text message. It could be a voice message or a picture. So what you must do, there are two ways to get into that reply option. One of that is to hold the message. I'm going to take this picture as a reference, okay? I'm going to hold this, and there you're going to have the option to reply, as you can see. So you can reply and write whatever you want, okay? The other option you got is to slide the message to the right. And in that way, you're going to be replying to that picture. You can reply not just your messages, the friend you are talking to, but your own messages. My own picture, for instance, this, or even text messages, voice messages, whatever you need. If you don't have that option, I recommend you to go into your Play Store, open it, and type Instagram so you can see if you need to update or not your Instagram version. If you have to update it, please do it. You need to do it if you want that option to your Instagram. Another option is to hold your app, go into the app info, and there you must clear all the data, even the cache. Don't forget you need to remember your username and your password because probably this is gonna log out your account from the Instagram app. Or also uninstall the app, remove all the app data, and install it again from your Play Store. In case you have done those steps and there is no solution in your messages, you must go into your profile, then tap into the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen, and then go into settings and privacy, the first option. So by now you must scroll down until you find the option help. You must report a problem and go back and check your phone. In that place, your messages, let's suppose it's going to be in this chat message, you must check your phone here and you are going to report a problem here. This is going to take a screenshot automatically, and there you got the option to report a problem. And that's how you can do it. Just follow the steps, and in that way you're going to enable the option to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Thanks for watching.